going to a different mill this time. This one's a bigger mill. It's not much further. Actually, it's actually closer than the other mill, and it's down a lot more back roads, which I'm glad about. I didn't load near as many. These are cherry hardwood, so they're a lot heavier. But they're worth more money too. Boy, I've had a bad spot here on this road. Looks like they're thinking about fixing. The trailer's so low. I'm worried about scraping here, but I guess it didn't. Always something. Let's get it back into timber country. I come back in here and pick up a lot of mushrooms. There's a nice area of woods here. It's all sections for our off-road machine. This deer seemed like more a mechanical guy. I'm not real familiar with it, but one of the mechanics was looking at this and he says, wow, that has a 13-bolt rear end. Whatever that means. Evidently it's got heavy-duty rear end or whatever. I know it has posi-track in the rear end. I mean, it locks. It locks and you can feel it pop in and out. This truck, I bought it used, but whoever bought this truck ordered it to do some heavy duty hauling. Man, they're not leaving me much room here. Guess I got a foot on each side. Guess that's enough. Here's the mill here. This is much larger. I don't know how many people I'm gonna guess they have 50 people working here. It's a much larger mill. Actually, they had two sections. They had one down below, just as big, if not bigger. That one's closed right now. So they're not doing as much as they used to. It's all hardwood there. I can't tell. Looks like maple. Yeah, better put four wheel here before I get stuck. Yeah, they got some nice timber here. Ash there, that's ash. That pile there. That's maple there. And I got some logs. Mine look like a drop in a bucket compared to this. There's the man. How you doing? Okay. Got some cherry.
Okay. Did you call ahead or anything, or?
I stopped a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
Maybe a month ago. He said bring up. I didn't tell him I didn't have that much. He said bring it up.
Okay. Is this about all you got then?
No, I got probably 2 more loads.
We could probably take this load off if we really can't use too much more of the cherry. Yeah.
What about maple?
Maple, yeah. If you got a few maple, we can take those.
Yeah, I got a couple big chunks of maple.
Yeah.
And ash. I got 1 big ash to cut down.
Yeah, ash will take that.
All right.
Cherry's about the only thing we really don't want right now.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good thing I brought this up before I cut any more.
Yeah.
My truck was broke down for a couple weeks, or I'd have brought it up.
Okay.
But
okay.
Yeah, I appreciate you taking this anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, we can get you fixed up there. So.
All right.
Probably just pull along this cherry pile this way. Leave enough room to get our truck in the cleaner. Just pull right in here.
Some big logs there. Measuring them there, and he's sticking a sticker on them. Yeah, so they're not taking no more cherry. Don't want it. I know it was a month ago I come up and he told me it was our bring some up. So already they'll start taking it again. I just hope it's before winter. I don't want to have to cut it up far away. Of course I got maple up in there. He said he'll take maple and ash. So but you can see there's a lot of workers here.